This is Christina Wellman with CGB's Midday Market Update for July 28th. Grains are currently trading lower across the board. December corn is around 5 cents lower to $3.38 and has been holding the $3.30 to $3.38 range for the past 5.5 sessions, with indicators oversold and moving sideways, appearing to be setting the base for a corrective bounce. If correct, a bounce to at least $3.71 and possibly $3.85 is not out of the question. November soybeans recovered a bit yesterday, but are again near 8 cents lower to $9.78. A couple days of defensive action would move indicators deeper to the oversold zone. December wheat is lower after having started the week stronger, but are now back down to not too far from the lows posted last week, near 3 cents lower to $4.38.5. The dollar is currently trading lower, with crude oil also lower, between $41 and $42 for nearby months. Export sales were released this morning with nothing impressive to report. Soybean sales were rough at negative 1,400 metric tons for old crop, and on the lower end of estimates for new crop at 678,200 metric tons. Old crop corn was in the middle of expectations at 738,800 metric tons, and new crop on the lower end at 476,500 metric tons. Old crop wheat was also in the middle of estimates at 506,100 metric tons, with nothing to report on new crop. Private exporters announced sales this morning of 129,000 metric tons of soybeans for delivery to China, with 66,000 old crop and 63,000 new crop. Another sale of 328,000 metric tons of soybeans was made for delivery to unknown destinations, with 65,000 old crop and 263,000 new crop. French wheat production is expected to be nearly 25% lower from last year due to poor growing conditions, which would be one of the smallest crops in 30 years. Analysts at Russia's IKR increased wheat production by 1 million metric tons to 69 million metric tons versus USDA's 65 million metric tons. The North Dakota Wheat Commission's tour yesterday has average yields at 46.9 bushels per acre across central and northwestern North Dakota. This compares to 45.7 bushels per acre as an average yield. Thank you for watching and have a great day.